Here's everyone brushing their teeth. Well, last night was a very long night. We drove on motorcycles to Tigua, which is like 2 hours from where we live, and we picked up a car of some of our friends there. So now we have their car. And we got here to this place. I don't know what it's called, but we got here at like,
I think it's Asapit.
Asapit. And we got here at like midnight. I don't know, no telling. But we slept under this mango tree last night, and there were literally, oh man, we laid a tarp down, and we laid down some mats, and then there was a whole bunch of guys just laying on this tarp, and we were like right next to all these pigs.
Oh, that's a big. I didn't see
That's the
him.
one that was making a bunch of noise last night.
Oh, where's the stinking chickens?
The chickens were like flying out of the tree this morning at like 6 a.m. At like 6 a.m., all the guys were like sitting on these stairs talking so loud. Like it was just the daytime, and it was like 6 in the morning.
Jerry Fatigue.
We were just in this church building, and we were all just sitting there, and then there was aftershock, and like the building started shaking, and it was so scary. We all ran out. Oh, it was so scary.
Yeah, it was scary. I'm still shaking.
Like the roof was shaking, and we all like
And now I'm
everyone
shaking.
slept outside last night. There's their little tent. Oh, that was so scary. And now there's gonna be a tropical storm tomorrow. This country is crazy.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm still shaking from that. I gotta get out of here.
C'est lui-même tout qui bon docteur. S'il pas t'es là, ça moins t'a fait. Christ pour moi, Christ pour moi. Moi qui t'ai n'a cherché l'argent, Christ pour moi, Christ pour moi.
Okay, quick funny story about my nose. So the other day when Rye was still here and the group was here, we rode on motorcycles, I think to Bennett. And then on the way back, we stopped on the side of the road, and I was behind Stefan on a motorcycle, and we were just sitting there, and Rye walked over to the car. And I was like, oh, can you get my Gatorade out of the car? So she gets it, and she was like standing far away from me, and she goes to throw her Gatorade, like for me to catch it, and I cannot catch anything. So she threw it, and I thought Stefan was gonna catch it, and then I was like, oh, he's not catching it. So I went to like try and catch it, but it didn't really work. So the Gatorade like smashed my nose, and now it's like bruised. And yeah. Now it is snack time. We got some bread, and Mom has some peanut butter. What time is
I have
it?
not eaten anything.
It is.
I didn't even eat dinner last night.
9:06.
Oh my. This is the best hard bread I've ever had. Look at the motorcycle underneath it all. Where everybody's staying.
Make a note of which.
All of these people are some of our team we brought with us. We brought a dump truck full of water and bags of spaghetti and rice and beans. Oh dear. What else did we bring? Clothes. And so this is some of our team that came with us.